so much, Bu Sri.
Okay, let's restart. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'm Sri Mulyaningsih. Will get all of you to present your research in room 3. Now I have a list for presentation guidelines. Yeah, the first and the PowerPoint presentation must be around 8 until 10 slides. Okay, and the presentation duration for presenters is 7 minutes on time. So you can manage the time. List for presenters will be shared during the parallel session and is active for 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, and there are 5 presenters. Author's name Ratna Herawati, Amalia Nur Hasanah, Tito Aditya Perdana, Masita Fahmi Wardani. Title, Study Online Purchase Decision on the Online Shopping Selling Site. And the second, Eko Purwanto and Fani Rahmatsari. The title, The Effect of Product Quality on Customer Loyalty with Customer Trust and Customer Satisfaction as Intervening Variable in Using Customer Credit at Bank BJB Surabaya Branch Office. And the third, Ratna Ahyuningrum, Credit Control Application Design to Reduce the Time of Accounts Receivable Administration at PTXYZ. And the fourth, Amalia Nur Hasanah Risanda Ali Rastra Budiantoro, Febrianur Ibnu Fitrosukono Putra, and Ratna Herawati. Mawar melawan rentenir, Mawar. Integrated MSME Finance Inclusion Strategy in Syariah Base. Okay, next presentation. Amalian Risanda or
Febrianur.
Oh yeah, okay, please.
Sampai is one of the presentation communities that has important role in supporting the interest in non-point and just as for
Okay, please.
Hello.
Yeah.
Let us start.
Okay.
Can we start?
Okay, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and
Waalaikumsalam.
gentlemen. An honor to meet you here in Third Economic Business and Government, challenges held by PN Veteran Jawa Timur. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andali.
Suara backgroundnya kok lebih keras ya suaranya.
Halo.
Suara backgroundnya lebih dominan itu.
Mikrofon. Halo. Cek.
Oke, coba dilanjut.
Aman.
Okay, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Risanda Lerastra Budiantoro, and with my partner Febrianur Ibnu. In this opportunity, I would like to present our research about Mawar. It's some program to against the money lenders, melawan rentenir, integrated micro and small enterprises financial inclusion strategy in Syariah base. It will some social program held by Semarang City Government through the Development Planning Agency at the national level of Semarang, field of research and economics development to empowerment specifically relating to financial assistance to micro and small business sector. So for introduction, we'll present with my partner Febrianur Ibnu. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Risanda. Okay, let me present our paper. Thank you for this opportunity. The first is Allah has provided Islam as a life guidance to be used in taking and undergoing all life aspect, including of the management and business financing, of course, because we present about against money lenders, so we talk about business financing. In the perspective of Islamic finance, financing venture capital through money lenders will make the borrower in difficult situation. So like we know that the money lenders, so they makes the micro, small, medium enterprise so small, and he broke their heart because they take micro, small, medium enterprise cash. It's too many. Okay. The important role of micro, small, and medium enterprise for the community was felt in the form of economic and limited skill improvement. With the existence of micro, small, and medium enterprise, it's expected to be able to overcome one of the main problems such as unemployment, because with the increasing number of micro, small, medium enterprise available, the employment rate will be higher, and the vice versa. So, like we know that micro, small, medium enterprise give the good impact to the country, our country, and the macroeconomics. The research urgency, this research can be important consideration and input for the Semarang City government to making policy and regulation through strengthening integrated financial inclusion to create micro, small, medium enterprise to be more competitive, more independent, prosperous, and of course, culture based on religious values. This is the literature review is about principle of empowerment. Like we know, this is the government program. That be the priority. The principle about equality, about participation, about independence and sustainability. The financial inclusion strategy is the focus of the two strategies, which are sustainable income growth and the opportunities open to all parties to access formal financial institution, encourage three comprehensive policy pillars. Including good governance, strong institution, and protection for the community. This is the method. It will be present, Mr. Risanda.
So for the method, this research use a qualitative approach with a business model canvas analysis based on the consideration that is a method can be explained, access the visual change modeling, including a financing and empowerment model in Syariah base. The type of data used is the combination of the primary data and the secondary data. So the data source we can get with the observation, interview, and the other literature studies. So for the figure of the inclusion financial policies in financing micro small sector, to the independence and growth for the micro small enterprises that are competitive, independent, prosperous, and culture based on the final value of the religiosity. So for the result of and discussion, the main our program to against money launderers is more directed to provide effective the solution in internal aspect problem, especially in limited in financial resources, but the initial capital investment or the business expansion carried out by the micro small enterprises. Inline in data from the Bank Indonesia show that a source of the fund owned by micro, small, and medium enterprises tend to be limited because they are only come from the internal sector by the own capital. If they are to the other resource, the capital micro sector is supported by informal sector. Ideally, the financial mechanism for micro small enterprises is carried out by a formal financial institution. So, with this program, we want to create some program to how change the financing sectors in the micro small enterprises. So there's criteria and requirement. There's 5 criteria and 7 requirement on the table of the micro, small, medium enterprises criterion to join the MAWAR program.
Okay, this is the business model canvas. We use business model canvas. Like we know, the main of business model canvas is about value proposition. The first of value proposition of this model or this program is the first is increase financial inclusion or access to formal financial institution for micro, small, and medium enterprise. The second is about capacity building of micro, small, and medium enterprise. And the third is about Sharia base-nya. It's about increasing the use of zakat, infak, and etc. about the funds. Especially this program is for micro, small, medium enterprise in Semarang. So the conclusion is each stakeholders seriousness determines the success of the MAWAR program. So the determine of stakeholder, every stakeholder, it will be effect to the successful of this program. The MAWAR program is a concrete form of support in empowering micro, small, medium enterprise by providing financial assistance with Sharia principle. The third is MAWAR program expect that micro, small, medium enterprise who receive these benefits can develop to become more prosperous, independent, and culture based on religious values. Thank you. It's our presentation. Maybe you have any question you can ask to us. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks for Mas Febrianur and
Yes.
Risanda. Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay. Maybe any question? Any question for presenter?
No,
ma'am, no.
is the paper is very good? Well, thank you very much.
No, but you are so completely. You can
Oh,
present
thank you.
this.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Sri. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Okay. Maybe one question for Mas Ibnu or Mas Febrianur and
Okay.
Risanda. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
As we know, micro, small industries can create its own reaction from any condition is
Yes.
still with the power from micro small industry. Now in pandemic, after pandemic, maybe you can tell about this MAWAR with this MAWAR.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Sri Mulyaningsih for the
Thank you,
question.
Sri.
Maybe the limitation of this our program is about we cannot tell the government directly. We have to publish this program with more and more publisher, so that will be can be the way how to tell the government. We hope this conference will help us to publish this initiation, and then we can show this program, and where we publish this program to the government, so the government can help the micro, small, medium enterprise to fight back the COVID-19. We know the micro, small, medium enterprise what's the name, we know this industry, this industry, so I'm sorry to say, maybe will be die because this pandemic. So we want to help them. We want to help them to fight back the COVID-19, and then upgrade their class. So the multiplier effect in the economy can be released. We want to give the suggestion to the government, and then we want to help them to grow up. Maybe this industry can go public to the international, maybe like that, Miss Doctor.
Okay. Thanks. Is a good answer.
Thank you very much.
It is best presenter with value research and appreciation for presenter number. Okay, presenter number number 4. Applause.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and we are finished for all presentation, and regard from committees and economic business government challenge Indonesian economic strategy after COVID-19 global and safe, healthy. Okay, we can close.